My name is Vinda Sharma and I am a representative of Idea Usher. In today's video, I'm very excited to share with all of you an exclusive walkthrough of our latest app that we have developed for our esteemed clients. A karaoke app called Voco, which will take the experience of karaoke to a whole new level for all of you. But before diving into its new features, exciting new features, let's take a quick look on how to get signed into the app. Okay, just like any other application, all you have to do is put in your name, your email, and create a password, preferably a strong one, and click on the sign up button. You also have the option of signing in through your Google or Facebook account. If in any case you already have an account, then put in your login credentials, your email, your password, and click on login. And if you have forgotten your password, then don't need to worry. You have to put in your signed in mail when you created the account, and you have to click on the continue button. The app is going to send a verification code on your signed in mail, and you have to put the verification code here and click on the done button. And that's it. You will get signed into the app. It's that pretty easy. Okay, now once you are inside the app, you will see your account. On it will take you to the home page. On the home page there are three buttons: recommended, following, and nearby. In the recommended section, you will see the accounts that have been recommended to you as per your music interests and preferences, and the kind of songs that you choose to create your videos. It also shows the new people who have joined the account and who have started posting. So you can have a look at that as well. In the following account, you will see the users that you have been following, their posts, their updates. And in the nearby section, you can see the users which are near to you geographically, location wise. So you can have a look at their activity and their singing as well. In the live section, there are accounts which are recommended to you, people who are currently going live, who are performing songs, who are playing the instruments of their choice. So go ahead and have a look at them as well. And in the messages section, you can see the various messages that are sent to you. You can see the review messages here. In the gifts section, you can see the stickers that are sent to you, by the people who like your work and who like your singing. In the audience section, you can see the messages sent to you by audiences. And in the news feed section, you can see the messages regarding the new updates and notifications that have come in relation to your news feed. If you want to have a whole look of how your profile looks, then you can click on the profile button right here, and you can see the people whom you have been following, your fans, your friends, your work in progress, your videos, the people, you can see the views and everything like that here, and you can see your posts right here. And if in any case you want to search the song, let's say if you want to search a song, then all you have to do is go to the search bar, write the song that you like to search here. It will show you the different search results. It will show you the people who are currently at the top of their game, and it will show you the various results, and you can select the song that you'd like to record a video on. And these are the various it will show in the so basically there are three sections right here: works, accompaniment, and user. In the work section, you can easily see the people who have already created who have already recorded their voice on the particular songs, who have sang the songs. In the accompaniment section, you can easily see the musical part or the instrumental part and the singing part that will be there to support you in your video. And in the users, you can see the various users, right? You can also look at the people's stories. You can click on their profiles and what they had posted some specific hours ago, or something that they have posted recently. You can also compliment them. You can put your comments right here. You can send emoticons or emojis. You can look at the comments, you can like them, you can reply to them. So you can do all sorts of these interesting things. Right now, if in any case you would like to look at you also have the choice of looking at other people going live, as I said before. Now, in order to do that, all you have to do is click on the person's profile to see if they are going live. And in order to look have a more look of their profile. Then so far, so good, and really, really interesting. Now, if you want to look at the users who are going live, then you can simply, look at the live section, and you will find the users there who are currently performing, playing their favorite instruments, singing their favorite songs. If you want to know more about them, you just need to click on the plus sign that is here, and it will show you their fans, their following, and you can also follow them, chat with them, see their profile, their posts, their videos, right? In this section you can see the people who are currently live, and the kind of who are at the top of their game. And in this section you can also see that as well. In this section here you can see the various kind of sweet stickers that you can send to the users, to their accounts, whose work you really like, who's singing or who's playing of instruments you really like. So you can do that. You can also connect with the people who are near to you. Here in the say hello to people nearby section, they will show you the people who are geographically, who are location wise near to you. And here in this in the find friends only section, in the upper left hand side, you can find people with whom you can record a duet, or with whom you want to connect and chat. So if you want to send, let's say, a message to someone, in the recommended section, there are various accounts which you can see, which the app has recommended to you based on your interests and preferences, the kind of, music that you create your videos on. So these are the recommended profiles. You can also search if you want to specifically connect with somebody else who also has an account on that platform. You can search for their ID here and connect with them. You can easily message them, chat with them, follow them. You have a close fan section and you have an all fan section. In the close fan section you can see the people here that you have been following. In the all fan section you will see the whole list right here. Right. When it comes to editing your profile, when it comes to updating, let's say, various details that you'd like to, or change anything that you'd like to at any point of time, then you can go on the edit profile, on your profile section in the edit profile, and you can change your picture, your avatar, you can change your name, you can update your birthday, you can update the city that you're currently in, and all of these details. When it comes to the live section, the live singing section, all that you have to do is click on this mic right here, and then you can look at the various song recommendations that have been given to you, or the songs that you might like, which you'd like to sing. So you can look at these them, and you can look at the whole list of them by clicking on this more button right here. Once you have chosen the song that you would like to sing, you can search for it in the search bar, or you can pick up the options from the recommended section, or you can select from the list right here in the you might like list. Then you can sing, or you can start singing the song. You just have to click on the sing button, and it will take you to this page. On this page you will see all the lyrics, the whole lyrics of the song. Here, if you want to sing it solely, if you want to go solo, you can sing it solo, or you can have the chorus part also, or you can also have an MV, and then you can click on the start singing button. Once you start singing, the lyrics roll in front of you as it is, and that's how it works. And you can also do the tuning. You can either re-record, or if you are completely done with it, then you can finish. You can also choose a template, basically template, how the song, the whole post will come on your page, and you can choose a template for that, or the various images, right? You can edit these images as per your preferences, as per your interests, as per your needs, and you can choose the various you can either choose the recommended images, or you can choose from the local photos, and then you have to click on done. Once the whole post is ready, the platform is going to ask you to write a caption for it as well, and make sure you can write a very eye catching, a very interesting, a very quirky caption as per your own choice. You can add the tags also. You can select the tags like music, singing, relax, pop, bitter truth, and after you are done with the tags, adding the tags, you can click on the done button. Once you're done with that, you also have the option to share your profile on other, you can share, I mean, the post on other platforms. You can choose the platforms that you'd like to share your post on, be it Google or Facebook or IGTV, Twitter or Dribble. Once you are done with that, once you are done with syncing it to other accounts, you can click on the confirm button, and then you can publish, and that's it, that's all you have to do. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you all next time.